15 urgent steps to survive the economic collapse. In today's volatile economic climate, it's more important than ever to be prepared. The financial landscape is shifting rapidly, and if you're not ready, you could find yourself in serious trouble. The signs are everywhere: soaring inflation, skyrocketing debt, and a volatile stock market. You see it in the news, you feel it in your wallet. Prices are rising faster than wages, and the cost of living is becoming unbearable for many. The stock market is more unpredictable than ever, with wild swings that can wipe out savings in an instant. One day it's up, the next it's down, leaving investors and retirees in a state of constant anxiety. Experts are warning of an imminent economic collapse, and frankly, it's not looking good. Financial analysts are sounding the alarm, predicting a downturn that could rival the Great Depression. The question is, are you ready for it? Are you prepared for what's coming? Have you taken the necessary steps to safeguard your financial future? If not, now is the time to act. Don't wait until it's too late. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat things. The reality is harsh, but ignoring it won't make it go away. You need to face the facts and take action. The good news is, there are steps you can take to protect yourself. We're staring down the barrel of some serious economic uncertainty. Businesses are closing, jobs are disappearing, and the safety nets we once relied on are fraying. It's a scary time, but you don't have to face it alone. But the good news is, you're not powerless. You have the ability to take control of your financial destiny. With the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate these turbulent times and come out stronger on the other side. There are concrete steps you can take right now to protect yourself and your family. From building an emergency fund to diversifying your investments, these actions can make a world of difference. Stay till the end to discover the #1 mistake people make before a market crash, and how you can avoid financial disaster. This information could be the key to your financial survival. Don't miss out. First things first, you need a financial fortress. Imagine it as the bedrock of your financial stability, the foundation upon which all your other financial goals are built. Without this, everything else is at risk. We're talking about an emergency fund, people. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Think of it as your financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws unexpected expenses your way. Not just a couple $100 stashed away, I'm talking 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses. This is your buffer against financial shocks, whether it's a job loss, medical emergency, or major home repair. That's right, enough to cover your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, the whole 9 yards for half a year or more. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can handle your monthly bills without stress, and don't even think about keeping it all in one place. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Spread your risk to ensure that your emergency fund is as resilient as possible. Some in a high-yield savings account, some in short-term bonds, and yes, even some cash on hand. This way you have quick access to funds when you need them most, without sacrificing growth. Because when banks start freaking out, you want to be the one who's calm, cool, and collected. Your emergency fund is your shield against financial panic, allowing you to navigate crises with confidence and ease. Next up, we're tackling that debt monster. High-interest credit card debt, get rid of it. Those predatory payday loans, gone. Now's the time to prioritize. Focus on paying down the debt that's costing you the most in interest. And remember, every dollar you're not paying in interest is a dollar you can put towards building your financial security. Look, I'm not saying the world is ending tomorrow, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Start gradually building a stockpile of essential supplies: food, water, medical supplies, hygiene products, the things you need to survive. Think rice, beans, canned goods, water filters, first aid kits. And don't forget about your furry friends. Having these essentials on hand will not only give you peace of mind, but could also save you a ton of money if prices skyrocket. Diversify your income. Don't rely on one paycheck. Listen, relying solely on one source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket drops, you're in trouble. Start exploring side hustles or passive income streams. Whether it's freelancing, online business, or investing in dividend-paying stocks, having multiple streams of income will provide a safety net if your primary source dries up. Invest in precious metals. Gold and silver are your friends. When fiat currencies like the dollar start to falter, precious metals like gold and silver have historically held their value. They're a hedge against inflation and a store of wealth. Now, I'm not saying to go all in on gold bars, but consider diversifying a portion of your portfolio into precious metals. It's a tangible asset that can provide some stability during turbulent times. Move your investments. Safety over speculation. During times of economic uncertainty, it's time to shift your investment strategy from growth to preservation. Consider moving a portion of your portfolio into safer assets like bonds, commodities, or recession-resistant stocks. These investments tend to hold up better during market downturns and can provide some stability to your portfolio. Your housing situation is crucial, especially during an economic crisis. If you're a homeowner, make sure you have a fixed-rate mortgage to avoid rising interest rates. If you're renting, consider negotiating a longer-term lease or having a backup plan in case you need to relocate. Remember, having a safe and stable place to live is paramount. Remember, money isn't the only valuable thing in a crisis. Skills like gardening, food preservation, basic repairs, and first aid can become incredibly valuable. Imagine being able to grow your own food, fix your own appliances, or provide basic medical care when resources are scarce. These skills can not only save you money but also empower you to be more self-reliant. Economic downturns can often lead to power outages and energy disruptions. Having backup power sources like generators, solar panels, or even just a stockpile of batteries can be a lifesaver. Make sure you have enough fuel for your generator and consider investing in alternative heating sources like wood-burning stoves. Remember, you're not alone in this. Building strong community ties with your neighbors, friends, and family can provide invaluable support during tough times. Whether it's sharing resources, bartering goods and services, or simply offering emotional support, having a strong network can make all the difference. During times of economic hardship, crime rates can increase, and your assets can become targets. Make sure you have adequate insurance for your home and belongings. Store important documents in a safe place, and be aware of cyber threats targeting your financial information. It's crucial to stay informed about the economic situation, but don't let fear and panic dictate your actions. Follow reliable financial news sources but avoid sensationalized headlines. Remember, markets are cyclical, and while downturns can be painful, they also present opportunities. During periods of high inflation, the purchasing power of cash erodes quickly. Focus on spending your money on essential items and avoid unnecessary luxuries. Consider investing in assets that tend to hold their value during inflation, such as real estate or commodities. Economic downturns can lead to increased crime rates and social unrest. Be aware of your surroundings, take precautions to secure your home, and have a personal safety plan in place. Consider learning self-defense techniques and be prepared to protect yourself and your loved ones. Remember, economic collapses are not the end of the world. They are transformative events that create new opportunities. Use this time to reassess your skills, explore new career paths, and adapt to the changing economic landscape. By staying proactive and embracing change, you can not only survive but thrive in the long run. The economic collapse may be inevitable, but you control how well you prepare. In these uncertain times, it's crucial to stay informed and proactive. The decisions you make today can significantly impact your future. By taking action today, you can weather the storm and come out stronger on the other side. Start by creating a comprehensive emergency plan for your family. Stock up on essential supplies, secure your home, and ensure you have a financial safety net in place. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more prepared you are, the better equipped you'll be to handle whatever the future holds. Attend seminars, read up on financial strategies, and keep a checklist of your preparedness tasks. What's your biggest concern about the upcoming market crash? Is it the potential loss of your investments, job security, or the overall economic instability? Let's discuss in the comments. Share your thoughts and strategies with our community. Together we can support each other and find solutions to navigate these challenging times. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on financial crises and preparation tips. Stay tuned for expert advice, detailed analyses, and practical steps you can take to safeguard your future. Let's navigate this together. Like this video if you want to stay ahead of economic uncertainty. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's face the future with confidence.